Hello everyone, this is Guru Prasan K from 3D Fully Design. Here I would like to explore 2D to 3D transition of this revolved shape, then 3D printing and wood turning of it. Here you could see the 2D half sketch, 3D wireframe and 3D shaded with edges. All dimensions are in mm. Here you could see 2D, 3D, concept of full stock size and turning to achieve the final 3D design. On the left, it is full stock size on teak wood, that is dia 92 by 350 height. In the middle, it's a picture of wood turning, which is a material removal process. And on the right, it's a finished 3D design on teak wood. Visualizing the ultimate 3D design with real pictures. First and foremost, let's begin with a simple and direct method, that is creating single half profile sketch for the final revolved shape in one go. Then let's start sketch dimensioning. Full height 350 and the diameter dimensions of 40, 92, 24 and so on. Then adding vertical height dimensions of 186, 35, 20 and bottom sharp point angle of 30 degree. The sketch done and fully defined. Then by using the solid revolved command, created the final revolved shape and weaving it. Then let's mimic the real manufacturing process. Sketched for full stock size of dia 92 by 350 height and using full revolution made the full 3D solid. Here you could clearly differentiate the previously used sketches black and red. Then achieved the desired final 3D shape, which mimics traditional turning, the material removal process. And ultimately revolved 3D shape along with teak wood material and appearance. Calculated mass is about 232 grams. Then ultimately it's really manufactured on teak wood on a turning machine. This wood turning is done at Vishwakarma Woodworks, Kulai, Mangaluru. Additionally, it's scaled down by 60%, then exported to STL format, then sent to 3D printing. Eventually, it's 3D printed on a FDM machine using PLA material and with green color. The final 3D model download link is provided in the description. My 3D certifications. I do 2D and 3D workshops for students. Please subscribe 3D Fully Design.